Fairfax County Board of Supervisors created the Exceptional Design Awards Program in 1984 to recognize outstanding architecture and site design. For 32 years, the Exceptional Design Awards Program has set the bar high for quality building design and site development. As a result of this program, over 200 projects have been recognized for their architectural and design excellence. The nomination period for this year's Exceptional Design Awards Program is May 23rd through June 17th. Any project completed in Fairfax County in the past 5 years is eligible for nomination. Submit your own project or nominate a project you admire. Please visit the county's website for more information. Fairfax County is proud to partner with local developers, contractors, and businesses to make our county a beautiful and inviting place to live, to work, and to play.
We believe strongly in the value and mission of the awards program. I think that it really promotes public awareness about design excellence and the quality of the built environment in Fairfax County. I also think that it highlights the important role that architects and other design professionals can play in really helping shape our community.
You know, I think this all starts with the belief that excellence in design contributes to excellent communities. We often use a quote from Winston Churchill with our clients that we shape our buildings, thereafter they shape us. And I think excellent design shapes excellent communities, and that's what this program recognizes and rewards. We certainly use the awards we win to market our firm to new clients. And a lot of our awards are design awards given by the design community. What we like about the Fairfax County Exceptional Design Award is that it's a community award.
I think as things get more dense, I think we'll see more creative infill type projects where developers start to use perhaps underutilized and difficult to develop plots of land. I think more and more we're going to see more mixed-use developments like we've seen recently in the Mosaic District and like the Reston Town Center. You know, historically this has been, I think, a very conservative, traditional, in an architectural way area. But more and more things have shifted to be modern. And I think that people have come to realize that modern design does not mean cold and sterile.
As we get bigger, we have to be smarter about how we use our resources. And so quality architecture, again, more important than ever as we build out our areas into increasingly dense urban centers. I think architecture is all around us to the point that we forget about it. And yet, if Fairfax County, as I've said, did not have this quality of environment, we wouldn't enjoy living here so much. And so I applaud the Board of Supervisors for starting this program over 30 years ago. And it's certainly why our firm continues to participate in the program.
It's a terrific program, and it is dedicated to finding and showcasing the most creative, best solutions for our built environment.